Green horizons.
In the ever-evolving world of landscape design, cacti have emerged as a popular choice for creating unique, low-maintenance, and sustainable environments. Their resilience, diversity, and architectural beauty offer a wealth of opportunities for innovative landscape ideas. This essay explores several creative approaches to incorporating cacti into landscape design, demonstrating how these hardy plants can transform outdoor spaces into stunning works of art. 1. Desert-inspired gardens. One of the most common uses for cacti in landscaping is creating desert-inspired gardens. By combining various cactus species with rocks, sand, and gravel, you can design a landscape that mirrors the natural beauty of desert environments. This approach often features a minimalist aesthetic, with carefully placed cacti serving as focal points. Adding elements like desert wildflowers, succulents, and ornamental grasses can bring color and texture to the scene. 2. Cactus walls and living fences. Cacti can also be used to create unique living fences or walls, providing privacy and security while adding a touch of natural beauty. Certain cacti, like opuntia, prickly pear, grow in dense clusters and can be pruned to form a living barrier. This approach is not only visually striking but also functional, as cacti are known for their ability to deter intruders due to their spines. 3. Vertical cactus gardens. Vertical gardening has gained popularity in recent years, and cacti are well suited for this style of landscaping. By creating vertical structures with pockets or planters designed to hold cacti, you can transform plain walls into vibrant displays of plant life. Vertical cactus gardens are ideal for small spaces or urban environments where horizontal gardening space is limited. They can also be used to create eye-catching features in larger gardens.
Thanks for watching.
Damn.
Don't forget to subscribe.